Now let's talk about the principle of mathematical induction, or PMI. The principle of mathematical induction, or PMI, is an example of an inductive reasoning. It has three goals. Number 1, suppose that a statement P of n about a natural number n is either true or false for every natural number n. Number 2, P of 1 is true. Number 3, if P of k is true, then P of k plus 1 is also true, where k is a natural number. And after that, we have there the conclusion that P of n is true for every natural number n. So, let's have an example. Prove using a mathematical induction that for all n greater than or equal to 1, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus plus 3n minus 2 is equal to n times 3n minus 1 over 2. So, we need to prove this using the PMI. So, the first step there is we'll let P of n is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 and so on until 3n minus 2 is equal to n times 3n minus 1 over 2. Now, since n should be greater than or equal to 1, so ang pinakagamay nato is si 1. So, that's why, then, we have there P of 1 is equal to, ato substitutan si 3n minus 2, si n ato substitutan ng 1. And that becomes 3 times 1 minus 2 is equal to, si n na po diha, times 3n minus 1 over 2, substitutan nato si n ng 1, that becomes 1 times 3 times 1 minus 1 over 2. So, dapat ang sa left side should be equal to the right side. So, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1. Now, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1, 2 times 1, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, that is why 1 is equal to 1. Thus, we can say that P of 1 is true.